What is up, everybody? Today I want to make a different type of video. As you can see, I got like a little different setup. I'm not at my desk. I'm at my dresser. Wow, got a big change here. Just my lighting is really bad over there, so I wanted to switch it up a little bit. Okay. Like I said, I don't know if I said this, but today's gonna be a little bit of a different type of video, and it's about what separates winners from losers in my experience in trading. Now, wow, and I need a haircut. That's besides the point. This is all gonna be kind of like off the dome. Okay, I'm not gonna like write any of this out. Like, I really want this to be like short. So, I mean, hopefully I won't yap too long, but just gotta keep this short. Let's just get into it now. I'm gonna spoiler. It's not your strategy. Okay, especially if you're learning from like somebody you trust. Like, this is not 9 times out of 10. It's not your strategy. What is holding you back from being profitable? It is your psychology. Okay, so let's just get into it. Number one, it's revenge trading. I feel like all of you, all of you could probably relate to this. I can relate to it, obviously. Have I revenge traded? Yes. Have I made money revenge trading? Obviously, I have. Yeah, like, if you haven't made money revenge trading, you're an idiot. But where it comes is, have you lost more revenge trading than you won? And yes, okay, I have blown so many accounts revenge trading. It is not worth it. I promise. Like, you're just getting emotional. If you're revenge trading, you're emotional. If you're taking a trade when you're emotional, then that is a bad trade no matter what. Because, like, you're not in the right state of mind to be, clicking that buy button and trying to make money, because you're gonna lose so much money. Okay, like, but when you're trading, you need to have, like, if you can't explain to somebody why you took that trade, then that trade was horrible, not bad. It was horrible because you can't even explain it. Okay, if you could explain it, maybe it can be bad. Okay, you can explain it, but you're just wrong. But if you can't even explain why you took that trade, it was horrible. And that's where, like, revenge trading comes in, okay? Because you can't explain a revenge trade, because you just click the button because you're emotional, you're sad and angry because you're trying to make money, okay? Because you don't wanna lose today. You can't do that, okay? You have to have enough discipline in your mind to say, I'm done. Like, I'm done. I'm not trading. Okay, so I gotta get this done, like, because YouTube has like a 15-minute thing, because I'm like under 1,000 subs or something, so I have to like stay under it like 15 minutes. So let's just get on to the next one. I'm sorry, I really want to talk and get into these more, but I genuinely can't. So the next one is gonna be contract sizes, and I don't think people talk about contract sizes enough. Okay, there's one big one, which, okay, I'm gonna start with this. Minis and micros. For most people, I'd recommend I'd recommend micros. I mean, if you're under like 100K account, no doubt should you be trading micros. Okay, you need to be trading micros if you're under 100K on a funded. I trade like, it is. I prefer to trade micros. Okay, like, there's nothing wrong with micros or minis. Like, if you have a bigger account, go trade minis. If you have a smaller account, go trade micros. You can do either or. Well, on a small account, you can't trade minis. Like that is, like, your drawdown is like that much. Okay, like, you it's like very, very hard. Okay, but if you don't know the difference, and if you don't know like what minis and micros is, you need to figure that out before you go and buy a prop firm account. Okay. So, I mean, so if you're risking too little, then you're being too careful. You're scared that you're going to lose money. You cannot risk like too small of an amount, especially like on an eval. If you're scared of blowing your eval, I mean, nobody wants to blow an eval, but I risk like so much of my drawdown on an eval per trade, just because, like, it's not your money. It's not your account yet. Like, it's just like an evaluation. An evaluation to see if you can. It's stupid, because then you go into your funded, and when you're in the funded stage, that is your eval. Okay, that is where you need to like actually have risk management. But because you need to like get profitability days, you know, like minimum profitability, and you can't really go over those. So it's like you have to like risk kind of small, like 1-to-1. Like it's hard to explain. Like that's for another video. But you know, now let's go on to like risking too much. Risking too much per trade, that is when you're like in like a funded or live account and you are just risking way too much of your account because you're trying, like, I don't know why people risk so much per trade. Like some people, like, if anything, I would just be like, no, I'm de-risking because I'm scared. Like, not. Some people just risk way too much. If you're risking like, just risk like 1% of your account, 1%, 0.5% of your account. I wouldn't really go over ever, unless I'm in like the eval phase. Okay, so just take that however you want to. That's just my opinion. But yeah, let's go on to the next one, which is being careless in pre-market. Okay, now this one does not get talked about enough. Okay, you need to be on. I don't know how people get on 5 minutes before the market opens and taking trades. How are you not like looking at market like for like 30 minutes watching be like looking through like 5 minutes, 3 minutes, like on these time frames and saying like, oh, it invalidated that gap, or you know, it respected this gap. There's an IFVG here. It swept London lows, and how's it reacting off London lows? Like when you're watching it in real time, it's different than like going and seeing how price was like 15 minutes ago. Like it's just different because you're watching it and you can genuinely see in real time how price is moving off of certain PDRs, right? So just try to get onto market open a little sooner and just be watching price. Okay, that's my opinion. That's honestly something that really elevated me from like mediocre days, like one win, one loss, one win, loss, one loss every, like, you know, I'd just be like every other day, like barely making any money on the account. Sorry, bro. I need to go to the gym. And then going to like, you know, like 3, 4, 5 winning days straight is because I was looking in market open, or I was looking in pre-market for like not for trades really, but like trying to get my confidence for the day and be like, yeah, I'm bullish, I'm very bullish, I'm very bearish. Like it like really just improves like how you feel about what way you want to trade that day. So anyway, let's get on to the next one, which is also what I kind of want to make a different video on, which is prop firm rules and understanding them. So understanding your prop firm rules is very important, especially for me. This is really like a personal thing for things that I've been through. So when I took my first payout on Lucid, it was like a $500 payout on a 25K account. And what happened was, when you take a payout, okay, your daily, or sorry, not your daily, but your maximum limit for the account, your max limit that you can lose, doesn't go down as you take a payout. So your account size will get smaller, but the amount you can lose doesn't go down. Like, or sorry, the amount the amount you get stopped out at, right? Like it doesn't go down. So let's say you're at 26,000 and you'll blow your account if you hit 25,000, okay? And you take a $500 payout, it still stays at 25,000. It doesn't go down to 24,500. It stays at 25,000. So you need to build a buffer before you take a payout, okay? That is my opinion. Or just don't take a max payout. Either one, don't take a max payout or build a buffer. Do either one. And also, especially for like Lucid, because you can take payouts every day, pretty much. So like you can like take like 20% and then take 20% the next day, 20%, 20%. Like just take some out of your next every single day that you make profit after you build a buffer, and you'll get moved alive so quickly. Okay, so that is for a whole other video. it is kind of hard to explain in like 3 minutes per like thing I'm trying to do. Okay, so prop firm rules, understand them before you trade your prop firm. Consistency, daily loss limits, max drawdowns, like everything. Okay, understand everything. All right. Now, my last one, which is so sweet, believe in yourself. Seriously, you need to believe in yourself. I've been through so much while trying to learn how to trade. Before I even took a payout, it, it took me so long because, well, number one, I was in school, right? So I couldn't trade I guess I could, but like I really couldn't. I couldn't trade at school, so, but like, like, but during those like those years where I wasn't making any money, it was just like, is this worth it? Like, I would I would take a loss, and then I would go and, like, once I was on like a prop firm, and then if I took a loss, I would think about it the whole day. I would back trade like 3 weeks worth of days. It was bad. But now I learned to be like, hey, like, losses happen in a system, okay? It's inevitable. Like, you will lose. And like, you just have to be able to say, all right, let's go get a burger or something, and just don't even think about it the rest of the day. It's not worth it. Thinking about it is not worth it. Like, you will destroy your head trying to think about like why you lost trades. Like, I've been through it, and it's just not worth it. But because a lot of people are truly obsessed, and I can say I am obsessed too. So just believe in yourself, and I promise you that if you believe in yourself, that you'll get it. But you have to, but believing in yourself obviously isn't the only thing you have to do. You have to genuinely mean like that you want to do this. If you don't really know that you want to do it, just don't do it, because it's not worth it, because you won't be able to do it if you're not 100% about it. And I don't mean 100% like you have to throw everything away, but like, if you're like, I can do this and I'm willing to put in the work, nothing else, just that right there, you will be able to do it, and you will be able to make a lot of money, okay? So, like I said, I want to keep this short, so I'm going to leave it there, but you can kind of build off of that, and what I'm trying to say there. Like, seriously, I just want you guys to like understand that it is possible, okay? So, one last thing is, how can we solve this? Which is rules, right? Just set your rules for yourself. Lock yourself out of your account so you don't revenge trade. So you're, instead of like, be like, I will, like, put a little note on your monitor saying, boom, I will risk more today. Like, I will risk 1% of my account. Like, all of that. Set rules for yourself, okay? And I promise everything will be better. I'm yawning so much. I like can't stop it. But yeah, that's it for me for today. I don't think I have anything else. I hope this did help. It probably maybe helped a little bit. I just didn't plan this video out. I couldn't really think of anything I wanted to do over the weekend. We had a 3-day weekend, right? Because of 4th of July. So happy 4th of July. But no, I really hope, I do hope it helps, right? Like, I hope this video does help. And if it does, let me know. If it didn't, I'm sorry. Sorry for wasting your time. But I tried. This is kind of all new to me, so I'm trying, and like, these aren't popular, right? So I'm not wasting too many people's time, but I'm trying to get better at it, and hopefully soon, like, I can post better recaps. I'll probably get a better like webcam, bro, because mine is actually horrible. I'm just getting this off my MacBook, so yeah, that's it for me. I'm gonna let you guys get on those markets, go outside, literally do anything but trade, honestly. It's the weekend, it's not worth it. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday, which is tomorrow. Okay, yeah.